This plant here is called Pesunia, and one of the traditional names would be Jibung. You see its little flower in there. Now, while the flowers are similar on the different species, the leaves are really different. So this one, we've got the narrow, thin leaves. Might not pick them up in the camera, but in the distance all through there's the other ones with the much bigger, fat leaves. But again, what's similar is the flower and also the trunk. You can see it through there. It's really black and very flaky. And inside is actually a real reddish brown material. But the little story about Pesunias is we have this diversity of different species all in one place. And now when you're in botany and they're telling you the whole thing about selection of species is you'll have some plants that are particular to an area and that will end up being a species because they're adapted to that, and a different plant from that genus somewhere else. So we'll have this Pesunia with little leaves and then somewhere totally different Pesunia with big leaves. However, what the botanists were finding was they'd come to a place, even in the national park or even in early Australia with pre-European national parks, and they'd find many types of Pesunias growing together. And it really stumped their theory of selection being the driving force for making different species. But then one time with Annie Fran, I'd definitely like to acknowledge both where we are now on traditional homelands, but also Annie Fran's teachings of why, and it's pretty funny, why the different Pesunias are together. It's because it's traditionally a toilet. So it's a food plant. So obviously when you come to a place before you get to camp, just like now, it's pretty normal. You come, part of resting is go to the toilet. So therefore the food plant seeds all come together. So you get many different species of not only Pesunia, but other food plants coming together. But once they started to make fruit, then no longer is it a toilet place because obvious reasons you don't mix the two. So you'll have these little patches throughout bushland that have a mix of species that are there for a reason other than what the plain sort of Western botanical idea was of, you know, a bird might have dropped it or something like that. So if you're out in the bush and you see lots of different types of Pesunias together or different food plants, have a think about the long-term and current movement through the land of our traditional people.